Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. And today's learning series, we're learning sound S. And the action for sound is S. Good job.
Let's move on to our story. This is Sam and this is Sandy. Whenever the sun is out, they like to take a walk in the park. They walk down to a small pond. There's a snail, a squeaky mouse, and a bird singing in its nest. He also sees a spider. Now Sam finds a stick. He throws the stick and Sandy runs after the stick. Sandy sniffs around the grass and starts barking. Woof, woof, woof. And there it was, a big snake. Sam and Sandy get scared. They run away. The end. Now we're going to look at words that begin with S. Okay, now let's look at the pictures and tell the words that begin with S. Good job! Strawberry. Okay. One more. Well done. A star. Star begin with S. Now let's do a review. Sun, snake, spider, star, strawberry. Thank you.